What is up, everybody? White Lighting HBD here with another video, and today we will be testing out a theory, and this theory has just walked into the center of our base. Oh god. The theory being the most powerful attack strategy in the game right now to get a 2-star on at max Town Hall 10 or Town Hall 10 in general. And it's a 7 golem attack strategy. We got 6 golems, 9 wizards, and 12 wall breakers. People really switch up the composition a lot. It really doesn't matter. Or I guess it does matter, but I mean, you need the 7 golems. We got 7 golems, or the 7th golem in the clan castle here. And apparently, this is right now the most overpowered attack strategy to do 2-star at Town Hall 10. Not 3-star, though. This is very, very good for Clan Wars too. 7 golem spreads are good for Clan Wars. But for some bases, not all. And the same goes for online attacking. This 7 golem spread works very, very well against most bases, but not all of them. But it is one of the most overpowered ways to get the 2-star. But it's not really used by the top players, though. They use more of like Lava Lunion and stuff like that. But this is like the most muscly way to get the 2-star. You can fuck shit up with this attack strategy. And what we're gonna do for today's video is go out and test it, see how good we can do with it, and how good it does in regular matchmaking. So guys, I'll be right back when I find a base, and we will see if this kicks ass. Alright guys, we found Monster Bomb, and we're gonna Monster Bomb, aka shit all over his base right here. And why I'm attacking this is because there's just so much goddamn loot, dude. 747,000 gold and 563,000 elixir. So we're gonna go in at this base. It's a box base. So with 6 golems, we should be able to muscle our way right into the middle of it, I'm hoping. So we'll have 2 golems going in here. Let's get some wall breakers. I trained way too many wall breakers, and I'm aware of that. So I know, guys, I got too many wall breakers in this bitch. But we got that going. So let's get the wizards coming in behind. And we do not have enough wizards. Oh god, this raid is just bad. Alright, we're gonna have the other golem right here. We're gonna have a jump and a jump. And then we'll use the heroes right here. Okay, we need everything going into the middle right now, which is great. He does have 2 single target Inferno towers, which might be a little bit of an issue. So we'll address that in a second, though. I think we'll be okay, as long as the king doesn't get his fat ass like wrapped up in a freaking thing. Okay, let's drop the poison spell right there. We'll do a free spell on all these defenses in the middle because the king is just doing it. Oh, shit. We missed the free spell on this Inferno. No! No, Mr. King. Oh, no. The king's dead. King is down. All right, guys. But it's okay because we still have the queen. We'll drop a rage spell down on her right here and on these remaining wizards. So, okay, we got everything pretty much still going through the base pretty well right now. 47%. Still have quite a bit of golems up. So we're doing okay, guys. We're doing all right. We're muscling through this base. We just need the queen to lock onto this Inferno tower, dude. Queen. Alright, the clan castle's nice and all, but get that Inferno out of the way, please. Alright, Inferno is down, awesome. So, we have some baby golems left. We're not going to get the 3-star, though, because this queen is just like, man, she's just lagging right now, dude. If the golems survived a little bit longer and we were able to take out those Inferno towers a little bit quicker, and the king survived, we definitely possibly had a shot at that 3-star. If I didn't fuck up that placement of the whatchamacallit, of the free spell, we could have 3'd this guy. So let's see how much loot we can get before this raid ends. Probably a couple more shots on gold, and then we'll get out of here. Yeah, okay. All right, rest in peace, queen. Bam! That's it for that. So, first raid with this attack, 615,000 gold, 490,000 elixir, 2-star, 70%. Not bad. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to train up a little bit different of a composition, and then we'll see how it goes with that shit. Alright guys, so we have the army composition trained back up again, and if you look, we did change up a little bit. We have 6 wall breakers instead of 12. Still got 6 golems. We put in a P.E.K.K.A. So we got 1 P.E.K.K.A., 5 wizards only, and then a minion and an archer. So it's we got a little bit less wizard power, wizard firepower, but we do have a P.E.K.K.A. this time, so that should help a lot. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much all the only changes we made. So let's go out and see how this does. We'll try to find a heavier base, a stronger base to attack, and see if we can kick its ass. Alright guys, so I've been searching for a very long time, and when I say a very long time, I mean over a fucking hour of just skip. So, I found this 100% maxed out base with 580,000 gold and 404,000 elixir, and we're gonna go after it because I'm literally gonna shoot myself if I have to keep skipping shit. So, this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna have 2 golems coming in over here, 2 right here, and then 2 right here, and then we're gonna do, oh, Cole just messaged me on Skype, hey Cole, we're gonna get a jump spell here, and then we're gonna get the wall breakers going right in the middle here. Golems, wait, golems! No, where are you going? Oh, fucking wall breaker's just gonna swing around. Awesome. Okay, we got all the golems going in. We're gonna get the wizards coming in behind. This will be kind of a quicker raid. Let's do the P.E.K.K.A. We got the clan castle golem, and then the king, and then the queen. So now, everything we just kind of need to go right into the middle of the base, where I'm hoping it will all swing towards the middle, because the golems are on those cannons. We have nothing really behind them to push them towards the middle of the base. So, golems are going towards the middle, though. We probably should save some wall breakers to get... I don't know. This is going to shit already. Well... We're going to do a rage spell right here because this is where, like, the main troop, our main troops are. And they'll be going in towards the middle of the base. Here comes the clan castle troops. Poison spell down on those bitches. Die! There we go. Oh, king! King special ability being used. He's almost dead. That was actually really, really close. So we're going to throw a free spell down on all of these defenses right here so that basically that single target Inferno can get frozen. Where the fuck is our queen right now? Queen, what are you doing? She's going to run around here and shoot the wall. Yes, no, maybe get over the jumps. Quick. Okay, queen's going to be there. And she is going to not be doing much. There's not many things she can do at this point in the raid. We'll throw a rage spell down on her anyways because we really have nothing else to do with it. But this went to shit, guys. This was not the base to attack with 7 Golem spread. Let's use her special ability. Maybe she can grab that Dark Elixir. And bam, there's a 50. So we did get a 2-star on this base and all of the gold. But we for sure didn't get like as much shit as we could. So we'll throw an archer down right there because that can grab that building. And that's pretty much for like everything. We can't really get any more free percentage, so we'll put down the minion as well, and they should be able to grab like maybe like I don't know 1 or 2, 3 more buildings, and then that's gonna be about it for this raid. So we did get a 2-star. Again, he was only worth 1 trophy, so we didn't really need the 2-star, but we're kind of just testing to see how good this attack does. Up this high in trophies. So we got pretty much all of the gold, only a little bit of the elixir, but we did get one of these purple balls. We got one of them, so that's okay. And we got all of the dark. So the archer can take this out, but that won't do anything. So we'll end battle right there. And getting a total of 448,000 gold, 3,000 dark elixir, and 100,000 elixir, plus our bonus. Another 2-star. This was 100% maxed out base. We 2-starred it, but it was a pretty shitty attack. If the town hall was in the middle where it should have been, we would have not got the 2-star because the raid was just very, very bad. So that was a bad attack on my part. We still walked away with the 2-star and all of the loot, or most of the loot.
Tree.
Die! Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the attacks for today's video. I just want to go out and like test that strategy out. We'll probably use it a lot more, just because it kind of wrecks shit if you use it right. And we'll use it in Clan Wars too. We've actually used it quite a bit in Clan Wars, the 7 Golem spread. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed that one. Tell me in the comments if you guys want to see more attack videos like that, and we can make it happen. So yeah guys, let us get to today's comment question of the day. Alright guys, so today's comment question of the day comes from I'm an idiot. Jose Sanchez, and the question is, what do you expect in the Halloween update? And honestly, this is a really, really good question because the Halloween update, okay, so the Halloween update and the Christmas update are always pretty big ones for this game, just because of the fucking, whatchamacallit, sorry, I got distracted by the raid. It's because of the events, the holiday, there's the word, the holidays. The holiday updates are usually the bigger ones, and there's always the summer. Jeez, dude, how many bases am I gonna find? There's always the summer updates and whatnot, but the Halloween one is usually one of the bigger ones. It's like the, the fall update. God, another base, go away. And to be honest with you, I think that it's gonna be a good one. I don't know if it's gonna be a huge one because like usually when they have like really, really big updates, so, they fly YouTubers here and there and shit like that. And they make it a really, really big deal. But this time, it doesn't look like they're doing much with like the YouTubers, at least for this thing, other than ClashCon. Maybe at ClashCon they'll announce something. That could be a possibility because I mean last October, last Halloween they released the Lava Hound. I'm pretty sure, right? Jake, was that when they released the Lava Hound? I don't know. I think around last October was when the Lava Hound came out. And if I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. But I'm pretty sure because I kind of remember Halloween themed shit and then the Lava Hound coming out. But I don't know. Again, I could be totally wrong. But I'm pretty sure that last year the Lava Hound came out for the Halloween update. Along with a lot of cool stuff. I mean, they're like the pumpkin bomb, the decorations. Like, I love the holiday themes. It's like my favorite time of the year on this game because they're just so cool. Like, it's like seeing the game just totally different. Like, I like the Halloween theme is probably one of my favorites just because the load screen looks sick. The decorations, like the bushes and shit on your base look awesome. And pumpkin bomb. It's just it's really cool. It's cool. Again, it's cool seeing the game. It looked different because, you see this game year-round look the same. Again, year-round. It looks the exact same. There's nothing changed with it. There's barely any updates, barely anything like that, makes the game different in any way. So it's, like, nice having, like, a different themed style to the game for a little bit, even if it's for like a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or however long the update lasts. But like I can't wait for it. And even the Christmas one too, where like it's snowy and shit, like that looks really, really cool, and I'm very excited for that kind of stuff because like again, it's just like it's a change. It's different from what you're usually seeing all year long. Like if they brought updates to the game like maybe weekly, monthly, or something, like small updates, tweaks, texture stuff that like frequently, then events like this wouldn't be as exciting. But like I'm so damn excited for this Halloween update just because I want to see new shit in the it's not only that I want to see new shit in the game, it's just like I want to see new shit in general, man. Like I want to see some new decorations, some new loading screens, something cool. I want to see new stuff in this game. I say this every time someone asks me about a comment question of the day that has to do with like new stuff in the game. I always say the same thing. I don't care what it is, I just want to see something new because this game desperately needs new stuff more frequently because they never update this game. They update it like, you know, twice, 3 times a year. So it's a pain in the ass, like, just sitting here and waiting for the update because, you know, and they're good. Recently, the updates have been very, very good, so they've obviously been putting a lot of time into them, but I feel like they need to do more. There needs to be more update, more new stuff, which is why I cannot wait for this Halloween update. What I'm guessing for the Halloween update, maybe a new troop, maybe a new defense, maybe 10 or 11 might come out or something. But I want something big. I don't want just, like, you know, a Halloween-style theme and a freaking pumpkin bomb and, you know, call it an update there. No, like, I want something coming out in this game. I want a new troop. That's all I want in this game. That's all I've been asking for is a new troop, something new to play with, something fun to experiment with, you know, new strategy and shit like that. I want a new troop. So that's what I want. What I think, I have no idea what to come out with, but I'm actually really, really excited. So tell me in the comments if you guys are as excited as I am, because I am very excited for this update coming up. And yeah, guys, that was today's comment question of the day and today's video. If you guys enjoyed this one, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you guys have not already, and go follow me on Camcord. Links to all that in the description if you guys want to see me stream. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all. Peace.
Pretty girls in class still, they never reply, but never say never, they never get caught on my mind. I'm trying to get better and grind, measure my effort and skill, gets better in time, fresher than ever, and I am who I am, no taking it back, I'm alive and well.